Today we're going to be showing you how to make a popular Canadian food, maple taffy. Let's get started.
Make sure you can do it outside, but we're doing it inside on a baking sheet.
Make sure that your snow is clean and has been untouched for a long time.
So you can see in our backyard, that is clearly what we did. And then just take a lot of snow. Come back inside.
The product we're using is Maple Joe. We got it from Costco. Maple taffy. And I've taken some with a spoon and just spooned it into a glass jar. I put this into the microwave for just 10 seconds and mix it up. And so it's easier because it is a bit hard. But if you microwave it, it makes it a lot easier to manage. So I swirl it around a little bit. And I'm just going to pour it in on the snow.
Just like that. Grab a coffee stick.
Or a popsicle stick.
Yes, or a popsicle stick.
And stick it there.
And just stick it on.
And we're going to leave that there
For 45 seconds.
45 seconds.
So 45 seconds has passed.
And now you just
Roll it together. And then it makes your thingy-mabob.
Yeah, taffy on snow.
Yeah.
Maple taffy.
This is your maple taffy.
That's how you can make your own maple taffy at home.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!